welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Amina and I am so glad you stopped by. Today I'm gonna take you guys along on my travel from Nigeria to Saudi Arabia, and I am super duper excited about it. So this right here is Abuja Airport, Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport. We were there like 2 hours before our flight and we checked our luggage. I took my coffee on the route because I wasn't able to take it at home. I kind of woke up late and we finally at the airport was like, okay, it's we were right on time, but our luggage was extra kind of thingy, and my husband was sorting the luggages out. So Afak and I decided to twin. You know, the time we were coming back, we were not able to twin, so we twinned, and the three of us twinned actually. So it was giving. I loved the look and I was capturing. So fast forward, we checked everything and we boarded the plane. So when we boarded the plane, I had to disinfect actually. We toddlers touching and putting everything in their mouth. I had to do that, and after cleaning I was like, okay, I have to tell you the tea right here. So when we boarded the plane, Ethiopian Airline kind of distributed our seats, like my seats, my daughter's seats, and my seat, my husband's, everyone's seat was just in a different aisle. It was just distributed, and we were like, no, we a family, we have to sit in a row. And it was like, okay, we cannot print the tickets again, we have to do it manually. So they were like, okay, what seat do you want? So they had to check seats for us, which is in a row, in a straight row. So we finally got a seat. Who does that? I had the craziest experience with Ethiopian Airlines this time around, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna travel with Ethiopia again, because no way I'm gonna do that. But the experience was okay, especially this bag they gave a fact. Oh my god, the goodies inside the bag was like, okay, it's a savior, because I didn't see myself coping in this flight without the bag. It has crayons, it has books, it has a lot of goodies for people to pick, toddlers especially. So Afak was engaged in her stuff, and the fact that she did not sleep throughout the flight, you guys will tell me, no, I'm not gonna talk about that, but she did not sleep in that flight, and that bag was a savior. Thank you, Ethiopian Airlines. But that seat, no, I'm not gonna take back the words about the seat. The experience was so awful and totally bizarre, because how can you just, the surname was there and you were like, this row, this aisle, you have to like, no, it doesn't make sense. I don't like that experience. So 6 hours from Abuja to Addis Ababa, and we were there. I kept on refilling my coffee mug, because it was like, okay, I had to do that. I have to be taking coffee and using the restroom. I don't know, it was just awful, because I was like, okay, I don't want to sleep because Afaf was awake, so it doesn't make sense for me to sleep and allow her to stay awake. So I was like, okay, coffee in, coffee out, coffee in. And this is one of the goodies Ethiopian Airlines gave her. Finally, we are landing in Addis Ababa. Speaking of which, guys, did I tell you our flight is gonna be around 3 a.m. and we landed in the night? So you guys know the number of hours we're gonna wait. It's gonna be a lot. So I had a book that I was traveling with, so I was reading the book, I was engaging myself, and let me tell you, Afak did not sleep. Afak is my 3-year-old daughter, so if you're new here, maybe you don't know her. She did not sleep a bit. She didn't blink. Who does that? So I was sleepy. I had to okay, motherhood is motherhooding. So I had to read over the day, and I ate some brunch. Yeah, it's gonna be brunch because I had coffee for breakfast and I had my croissant in my bag. I had to pack some pastries actually, so I had to eat them. And we were waiting actually. We were looking at people moving around, people who have you guys. Speaking of which, have you ever been in a lengthy layover that you have exhausted things to do? I have read, I have ate, I have, I'm just scouting the airport. I'm just going everywhere with the stroller because Afag wasn't sleeping, so we were moving around, and then we scrambled across this water refill. So we had a bottle, and then we refilled the bottle. So it's so cute, and the water is cool, and I love that. So we were there, and I used the water to wash my feet and do stuff that I'm not meant to do there, but I did that. And after we refilled the water, we were moving around. The airport was kind of nice and cool and calm. After a few hours, it was time for outfit check. I had to change my outfit because, oh my god, you can imagine how long this outfit has been in my body because we had almost 10 hours layover. So I had to change my outfit actually, because we are going to an Arabian country. Oh my god, why not? I changed to an abaya because it's comfy and I love it. I'm now used to wearing abaya all the time because the Saudi Gulf taught me how to wear that, and I am now obsessed. Okay, so this is the favorite part of the Saudi Air prayers before taking off and before landing. It's so cute. hours later, finally we landed in King Khalid International Airport, Riyadh, and finally we are home. So it was like, okay, the process of the visa, yada yada. So we had to go through that, and then we went to claim our luggages. Oh, I was exhausted at that time because I slept throughout the flight. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video because I did. And if you are here, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video.